Round identification. Round identification. Welcome home. Welcome home. Round identification. Round identification. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home.
This is the transmitter board, one of the ESP32 microcontrollers. Okay, that's the transmitter. But before we move on, if you go to the EIM Technology website, you can purchase, okay, your electronic components, okay, your boards, and so many stuff. And you can get, okay guys, 20% discount by using my promotion code, and the promotion code is Itamar. By typing my name Itamar, and okay, when you're purchasing, you can get 20% discount. Okay, you type here Itamar, okay, when purchasing, when buy the kit, okay, boards, you will get 10% discount. I'm going to put the link in the description. Okay, great. So this is the receiver board, okay, ESP32 board dev kit. Okay, so and with here the DFPlayer Mini, which will be attached to the receiver board, okay, to play audio. Great module. Okay, DFPlayer Mini, and of course the the SD card first. Okay, SD card you need to format before using it. So with here the RFID reader, okay, which will be attached to the transmitter board. Of course, the speaker, 20 ohm 1 watt speaker. The cards, okay, our cards for testing the project and so on. Yeah, 2 cards, okay, one will be wrong and the other right. Okay, wrong is the white card and the right is the blue card. So 2 breadboards. So we're gonna start with receiver board. Okay, let me put the receiver on the receiver board on the breadboard. The receiver board on the breadboard. Wow. Receiver board on the breadboard. Okay, nice, cool, amazing. Okay, now I connect the RFID on the breadboard just like that. So cool, huh? Very, very cool. Let me just now I need some jumper wires. Okay, the first one is the SDA. Okay, it's going to GPIO. Guess what? 5. GPIO 5. And then I need the second jumper wire for SCK SCK, and the SCK is going to GPIO 18. Let me connect to 18 is right there. That's cool. It's going well. Everything is going well, fine. Beautiful, huh? Now the third wire is for is between MOSI and GPIO 23. Beautiful, huh? Now the fourth one, okay, between the fourth jumper wire with the let me GPIO 19 and MISO. I think this is MISO. I don't know, MISO. Okay, whatever. This is MISO. I think it's MISO, MISO. You name it. You can give a name to it, MISO, but you know, it's MIS. Now the fifth wire is the ground. Okay, guys, ground, and this is the reset pin. Okay, GPIO 2, and of course the last one is the 3.3 volts, because we power up the reader, okay, the RFID with a 3.3 volt power supply. Now we're going to set up the transmitter board. Okay, the transmitter board is larger. Okay, it's occupying many spaces if you want space. Yeah. Now I connect the module, the audio module, and then I put the SD card into it. Okay, now let me grab some jumper wires, just few seconds, and we're gonna be moving on. Okay, now the white wire is going to GPIO. Okay, here is the RX of the module to GPIO 27, and this is TX to GPIO 26. Beautiful. And then we need another wire. Okay, this is the VCC to the in of the microcontroller. We need two more wires, two more jumper wires. Okay, these are grounds. Okay, they need to be attached together if you want, and then we ground them. Okay, ground to ground, ground to ground. Okay, as you can see, that's cool. Very, very beautiful. Okay, okay, I don't so this is the as you can see, the build for transmitter. So now we need to connect, okay, the red wire of the speaker to speaker 1, and the black one to speaker 2. Okay, great, beautiful. Okay, now let me connect the cable so we can upload the sketch. But you know, we also need to know the tag UID, I think, of the two cards, okay, of the black card, I mean blue card and white card. So we need to know the code of these two cards, okay, blue one for the blue one and for the white one. Okay, so these are the schematic. Okay, this is for receiver and this is for transmitter. Okay guys, and we need to know, okay, to know the code of the blue card and the white one. Okay, the code they code, okay, you can use this schematic. Okay, so we can know and this is the code. Okay, so we can know the X, the decimal code for these cards, okay, for the white one and for the blue one. Okay, you can use this code, and I'm going to put in the description of this video. Now this is the UID for this card, okay, white one, and this is for the blue one. Okay guys, great. Okay, so now to generate the audios, okay, you can go to TTSMAKER, okay, and you're going to convert or get text to speech. Okay guys, so and you download the audio, okay, the text to speech, okay, the audio, and you rename it, okay, and the name should start with 0, okay, 2 zeros or 1 0, okay, 2 zeros or 1 0, okay. So you can watch my previous videos to understand, okay, to how to do that. Okay, now this is the code. Okay, I think this is the code for transmitter board. Okay, this is the code for transmitter, and this is the MAC address of the receiver board. Okay, because we are dealing with ESPNow protocol. Okay, ESPNow protocol. Okay, so this is the code for transmitter. Okay, okay, so if you want to know the MAC address of the receiver board, you can just upload any code, okay, or this code, okay, to your receiver board, and on the output on the Arduino ID, you're going to see the MAC address of your board. Okay, so then you copy the MAC address, okay, and you put inside of the transmitter code. So now this is the receiver code. I'm going to provide this code in the description of this video. So this is the receiver code. We have here many commands. The code is commanded. Guys, so you can understand it a little bit. Now you go to tools and ESP32, you choose ESP dev dev module, the port. Guys, so you do the same for the transmitter. The same thing. So now testing code. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Wrong identification. Wrong identification. Welcome home. Welcome home. Wrong identification. Wrong identification. Welcome home. Welcome home.